If you've lost access to your Bluestone bank account and can't use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Bluestone Bank website. Go to the official Bluestone Bank website using a secure internet connection. Look for the login section or the forgot password link to start the recovery process. Step 2. Select account recovery options. Once on the login page, click on the forgot password or account recovery option. This will direct you to the recovery page where you can choose alternative methods for account recovery. Step 3. Verify your identity. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email for a recovery link or instructions from Bluestone Bank. Make sure to look in your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Reset your password. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Create a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. Once your password is reset, you should be able to log back into your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Bluestone Bank's customer service for further assistance.